Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to join the Instagram world and create your own account, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an Instagram account step by step. It's super easy, so let's get started. First of all, find the Instagram app on your home screen. Now open it. Here you will see the login screen. Tap on to create new profile. Now Instagram is asking for a username. Now create a username that you like the most. You can either choose your own name or you can also add a unique name. After selecting the username, simply tap on to next. If the username is not available, Instagram will show you other options. Now choose one and tap on to next. Here, create a password to log into your account. Make sure to create a strong password so nobody can hack your account. And simply tap on to next. Here you can also add your phone or your email, or simply select complete sign up. Now tap on to next, tap on to continue, and tap on to allow full access. Now Instagram will show you with these types of options. You can either continue or skip. You can also add a photo right now by choosing from the library or taking photo. For now, just skip. The Instagram will automatically show you friends from your contacts. You can follow now or later. Now you have successfully created an account on Instagram. Now you can add bio and edit your profile, add your profile picture and share posts that you like. You can also follow people by scrolling or searching on the search bar. And that's it, you have successfully created your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.